Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-350 King Ranch. Coming in this nice white and darkened bronze coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the fifth-wheel hitch prep package and the FX4 Off-Road. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice dual exhaust. We do get bed steps on either side, tow hitch, rear park sensing, the nice King Ranch logo with a backup camera. We do get a tough bed and spray liner, and we get a camera up there as well. We do have the bed steps on this side as well with mud flaps on the rear. We got the King Ranch logo on the wheel caps as well. We do get deployable running boards that will go up when you close your door. Side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light indicated and spotlight indicated. Mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front, we have front park sensing, tow hooks, license plate bracket, and front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice light and dark brown leather interior, brown stitching. We have a brown door panel with brown leathering, B&O sound system with tons of storage. We do have cup holders, heated back seats with 2 USB-Cs, a 12-volt and 120. You also get cloth floor mats that do have the King Ranch logo on them as well, and you do have all-weather floor mats, so whatever you prefer. You can fold that down for cup holders and some arm space, and you can lift up the seats for additional storage, and you do get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats as well as massaging seats. The same brown leathering we saw in the back there. We get this nice King Ranch logo that has the stitching on it. Plenty of door space, that B&O sound system, the King Ranch logo on the door, powered door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, Power Onboard, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 20.1 kilometers. We do have a brown leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, the nice King Ranch logo on the steering wheel. We have our volume, voice, and cruise control. And looking at our main screen here for your settings, you do have My View, Trip and Fail, your heads-up display, but you can sort of kind of see it on the white truck ahead of me. It just limits your distractions, so you're not always looking down at this screen. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. You can close this, and you do get this nice wood paneling with the King Ranch logo. Cup holders, but if you need 2 more, you got 2 more. Got the King Ranch logo right here, and since the truck was initially made, so 1853. And tons of storage underneath with another LED light so you can see your stuff. We do have our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. We have heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, a 12-volt and 120. Got storage above, and we got the King Ranch logo on the dash as well as on the secret compartment. Got storage above as well. 6 upfitter switches, garage door transmitter, and your headliner is also brown. We have a nice rear window opener as well, and our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, where we do have our engine brake here, 360 view of the vehicle, park chimes, hazards, traction, and hill. And look at our screen here, we have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, your navigation, any apps you may have downloaded will be here, and your favorites, such as messaging, email, all that fun stuff, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Settings. Here are your settings for your massaging seats. Both the driver and passenger get it, which is perfect for those long car rides. And our features of the vehicle, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EF36886, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.